Creating and publishing content on YouTube involves a series of steps that encompasses planning, production, and promotion. With these 5 game-changing tools, you can transform your ideas into stunning videos in minutes. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process. Step 1. Choose a niche and define your audience. Choosing a niche for content creation involves a combination of market research, understanding your target audience, and aligning with your expertise and interests. While AI can assist you in this process, it's important to note that it won't decide for you. Here's an AI tool that can help you explore and decide on the niche for content creation. That's Google Trends. Google Trends allows you to explore the popularity of search queries over time. By analyzing trending topics and identifying emerging niches, you can stay ahead of the curve and capitalize on new opportunities. This is the screen for Google Trends, and my niche is diet. I type diet, and here shows the graph in the United States region. And it further down, if you take a look, you can see the related queries, MAYR diet. Now, this is what is trending currently, and this is what Google Trends does. Step 2. Conceptualize and plan your content. Once you've selected a niche, it's time to start planning your content. This involves generating ideas, organizing your thoughts, and developing a content calendar. Number 1, brainstorm video ideas. Number 2, create a storyboard. Number 3, develop a content calendar. And there is an AI tool that will take care of all the above, and that's copy.ai. Copy.ai is AI-powered writing assistant that can help you with similar tasks such as generating video ideas, writing scripts, and creating video descriptions. It can also help you with more creative tasks such as writing, engaging social media posts, and email marketing campaigns. Step 3. Produce high-quality videos, images, thumbnails. Invest in essential equipment. A good camera, microphone, and lighting setup can significantly enhance the production value of your videos. Alternatively, there is also an AI-powered video creation platform that can help you create high-quality videos without any need for filming or editing. It can generate videos with AI avatars speaking in different language. The AI tool is Synthesia. The next tool we introduce is an AI-powered video editing tool, InVideo. This tool streamlines the editing process and enhances your videos by creating professional-looking videos without any prior design or editing experience. Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows anyone to create professional-looking designs without any prior design experience. With its drag-and-drop interface, extensive library of templates, and wide range of tools, Canva is a versatile tool for creating social media graphics, presentations, marketing materials, and much more. Step 4. Optimize your videos for search and discovery. Make your videos discoverable by optimizing them for search engines and YouTube's algorithms. Use relevant keywords, tags, and descriptions to increase the likelihood of viewers finding your content. Step 5. Promote your YouTube channel. Don't let your videos go unnoticed. Promote your channel across various platforms to attract viewers and expand your reach. Step 6. Analyze and adapt. Continuously monitor your channel's performance and adapt your content strategy accordingly. Analyze viewer engagement, demographics, and feedback to identify what resonates with your audience.
Remember, building a successful YouTube channel requires dedication, consistency, and a willingness to learn and adapt. With careful planning, high-quality content, and effective promotion, you can establish yourself as a recognized content creator.